one important thing related to simplicity only, sir, I would say is UPSC has already given us the syllabus and previous year questions, and they should form the backbone of our preparation. If we read and revise syllabus and PYQs multiple times, we automatically start understanding what is the pattern of the exam, what is actually the demand of the exam. So that is something that helped me, sir.
अच्छा, एक और चीज़ है, like when people are in the foundation course, many of them are blank state, and they never realize that what kind of bombardment of the content it would actually entail to be in the preparation. They get suffocated. They are getting so much of content. They are not able to revise the stuff properly. They are not able to do the value addition by the time the next content comes. How was your experience of going through the course and then making concrete structure out of it?
So not just the course wise, but anyone who starts preparation, they feel this way. When I started preparation, I also felt the same thing, that there is a vast syllabus and there are so many things to be done. But then overall, we have to realize that this is not a sprint, but a marathon of 1 year. And if we try to do everything in 1 day or 1 month, it is not possible. We have to have good macro targets, that in 6 months I will do this. Then we should have certain medium level targets. Within a month I should finish this. And then micro targets, that within a week I should be able to do this.
Right.
And if we are able to plan it out that way, even though the syllabus is vast, and that is, I think, the possibly only difficult thing about UPSC, it is vast. Although it is very easily understandable, but it is huge. So we have to break down the syllabus into parts and keep our timeline in months. We cannot do it in days. That is something we have to realize. And another thing is about mindset only, sir, that consciously take it as a marathon, that I have certain amount of time and I have to do it day by day.
Mhm.
Your routine is the key. It should sound extremely boring. It should become extremely boring to you because you are day in and day out repeating the same thing. So routine and boredom is the key
True.
to finally succeed in this marathon.